Hello everyone. I hope all you are doing well. So today we are going to be see how this voice application, the translation with the voice app will work. Okay, so for this we are using a Streamlit based Google translation, and we are using some Python libraries like Google Trans and GTTS, which is nothing but Google text to speech. Okay, so it will provide the functionality and the Streamlit, which allows us uh, the user, like whatever the text we will give, so it will record the audio and it will read it loud. So let's look into this, how we are going to be give the input as a text, and how this audio file will play out. So here I wrote the code and I use the functionalities and methods, which is nothing but the Google Trans and the GTTS. Okay, so here we go, and we have so many languages, so whatever the language we want, so we can play that, we can select that and it will read it out loud. So here let me just go and run this. Here we go, it is opening, and so our browser is open. And now, so here we can enter the text, and here in the left hand side we can select anything. If I select the Hindi, yes, English or Hindi, so let me just uh, take some paragraph and paste here in this box and just enter. So here you can see we will get the audio option now to play the discuss. So let me just play. So this is how it will work. So let me just select any other language, which is Marathi is here. So let me just select this one. Hindi and Marathi, it's look like same, because I guess Marathi don't have this what literature, right? So let me just go ahead and select this in English language. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, it is still loading. No problem. So let me. So now it is in the English. So here we can also download the audio file, and here so many options, we can select anything. So that's it for today.